December daily. We actually did go see Santa on the 10th. That might be wrong. It's story 10. And I had shown you in my foundation pages how I use, this is a We Are Memory Keepers layout. I can't even, it doesn't even have like digits, but it's just like a partial page for Project Life. And I've already had it sandwiched and scored on this edge to make this fold, because if it was left out, it would be too long for my album. And it was sitting with cards, and so I've already taken those off, and I knew I printed a few of the views from visiting Santa on a vertical layout, which are already in the pockets. I then decided to fill these pockets, because it was doable, because they're 4x2, with other little landscape photos that we have. So I'm going to put these in there. Then in this pocket, I feel like I'm going to make it like a shaker pocket and write out the word 10. So it'll be TEN in some sort of font. I'll cut that out on Silhouette, and maybe put some glitter pieces in there and seam it off. The only thing is that I don't know if I'm going to make it a see-through element, because I do feel like the back pocket for my story 11 is going to be her writing to Santa. And I have 2 photos for here, and I don't want that showing through saying 10. So I might put it like on glitter paper and go from there. But what we're going to work on too is, you saw me cut this out also. I had this ready to go. It's a Santa cutout for, you know, this is the one I purchased on Silhouette Design Studio for this day. He just looks like a very jolly Santa. And I have this piece of vellum that I just kind of used for a moment there. So I'm going to make it like an overlay. I'm going to punch the holes over here and have this sit like over it, so that it's just kind of like a filler page, so that we know we're visiting Santa. I think I've done this technique each year. I just always purchase a different Santa cut file. So I'm going to cut it and we're going to mount it. But how I'm going to jazz it up is because we're going to take some glue and some iridescent white powder glitter. And I feel like I'm going to fill in like where it's white. The only problem I'm having, one, is how warped this vellum will get with liquid. So I'm kind of feeling like, should I just do like little marks or little, you know, polka dots, you know, or just zhuzhes where the glitter would be, so that it doesn't buckle completely, or if I should just color it in the whole darn thing. And I'm leaning towards the zhuzhing. So let's put you on fast forward and complete story 10. Okay, as I suspected, it is warping the page a little bit, but I figure as a decorative little mixed media element, it could be kind of cute still. So I'm going to let this dry. Actually, I feel like I'm going to add in here, though. I feel like I'm going to add it in there, in his hat. And you know what I wish I had was truly white glitter. Just don't know where it is, because as it's drying, this is very clear here. So let's add a little bit more, and then I'll have it dry. If anything, I'll have it dry overnight. And once it's dry in the morning, I'm going to put weight on it with paper pads and see if it can take some of the wrinkle out. And then we shall go from there. I will punch holes, and I'll also cut out that number 10 when I see you again. Okay, so that we can have this all wrap up and have my journaling done too. That way that's all complete as well. Okay, so I try to have it sit flat between papers for a while, paper pads, and it buckled a little bit. Actually though, I'm loving the texture and the sound, as you can hear it, gives for the front of this, so I'm gonna go with it. Okay, so this one will be complete as of now. So I love the way it's kind of a textured, wrinkly, vellum-y page that has all this sparkle for Santa Claus, his beard and hat and eyebrows. I used the 10 numbers from that Echo Park line that you saw me earlier show. The pleather heart is an Allie Edwards. I love the way that the shaker came up together with the embellishments of the hearts. I put the Believe on there, and then ho 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 on the inside. And I printed my journaling on the vellum, and I left it just as a fold over inside the pocket. That way we can still then view the photo with Santa and her just conversating. And loving that. So this is going to get a little wrinkly, but I'm okay with that because I like the flip up element in there. So that will be my day 10 story. Thank you so much for joining me. So for story 11, we are working on the back side of our visit to Santa. So I have this glittery pocket already that I think I'm still going to use these on the opposite side that match up with the hearts on the back. Keep it simple. I think I'm just going to have a little bit of journaling here. Put this one, this was that Target envelope that I had in my foundation page video, and just have this here. And I did get another card from that little station at Macy's, so I'm gonna have her, because she mailed that one out in the mailbox, so I'm gonna have her write it again here. So I'll have her handwriting in here again. Now don't get me wrong, I probably, if I feel like I need to do more journaling, it could slip in here for sure, but I think I just want to keep it like simple like that. This on this side, maybe just journaling there, put these two here. Oh, I need to figure out where I'm going to put the number, and then just Dear Santa could be right there. That, or maybe just here on the photo. Open gift. Open your gift before this envelope. Maybe this, and then this. That could be cute. Okay, I know I was flipping through, the last thing you saw was where should I put the 11. I did end up putting it right here with the heart tag from the Allie Edwards kit. I did already cut some plastic from the Barbie doll packaging and adhered it down. I think I'm going to leave it as so, like exposed. I just haven't decided if I'm going to garnish this side and anything, because I do like the saying from Target. I finished off on this side with the matching elements from the back. So these are the acetate hearts from Allie Edwards. I put a cold piece of paper there. And then the Fa La La is from the Simple Stories Jingle All the Way collection. And I think it was actually right there. So Fa La La. And what I love about it, if you can see, it's buffalo plaid letters, just match her dress as well. And so inside, if I think I was voicing before that I took an extra card for her to write when she was there. She wrote Barbie, unicorns, and then wrote her name on the bottom. So I will have her do that again. And then I'll just tuck that into here because it fit perfectly. And that will be my story 11. Love those. So everything is complete and nice and red, I might say. Thank you so much for joining me. If you've enjoyed your time here with me, please consider subscribing. Give this video a thumbs up. And until next time, everyone, bye.